If you're working in a fast-paced environment, losing track of meeting details is a recipe for disaster. And this is where AI meeting assistants come in. In this review, we're doing an honest deep dive into Fellow versus Fireflies AI, comparing two of the biggest names in the productivity space to see which one actually deserves a spot in your workflow. We'll be talking about the features, pricing, and at the end, you have solid reasons to get into a service. We have the links in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. As we mentioned, we'll be starting with feature comparison on how well they perform when it comes to transcription, bot versus botless recording, cross-meeting intelligence, integrations and action items, and security. The crucial first question is, how efficiently do these tools actually record and transcribe the content of your meetings? Now, Fellow handles transcription across 92 languages with a 95% plus transcription accuracy. Aaron Cantor, who is an independent tester from the Business Dive, calls Fellow's transcription one of the most accurate he's seen, praising how it captures context and nuance. Fireflies, on the other hand, throws a solid punch as well, but the real-world reviews tell a different story. A Capterra reviewer flagged occasional inconsistencies, especially with overlapping conversations or technical jargon. Also, a Reddit user who tested Fireflies across 33 meetings described it as a close 90 to 95%. But also noted significant issues with speaker labeling when people talked over each other. So for teams who are getting the who said what matters, such as sales calls, legal discussions, executive meetings, those gaps cause real downstream problems along the way. Now, both tools let you record meetings with a bot, but here's where they differ. If you're using Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Slack huddles, you can enjoy true botless recording with the same enterprise governance whether you use bot or botless mode. Admins can set organization-wide recording policies, and those rules apply consistently. Fireflies, on the other hand, does offer a botless option, but it's limited to a Chrome extension that only works on Google Meet. So if you're a Teams or Zoom user who doesn't want a bot joining your calls, you find yourself stuck with Fireflies. Now, Fellow's Ask Fellow Copilot lets you query across all your meetings and not just one transcript. Want to know what commitments were made to a client last quarter or where your projects are getting blocked? Fellow services answers from your entire meeting history with timestamps and context, which is great for getting an understanding to fixing a problem. Fireflies, on the other hand, has AskFred, which works great for drilling into individual meetings, but it doesn't have that organization-wide memory that Fellow does. For anyone managing complex projects or long-scale cycles, this is a huge deal breaker. Fellow synchronizes action items directly to Asana, Monday, Linear, Jira, ClickUp, and more. These aren't just copy and paste. They are actually tasks with owners and deadlines. Fireflies offers lots of integrations, but reviewers consistently note that you will still have to manually push them into your workflow. This is a friction that will definitely add up when you're scaling up. Fellow also offers over 15 native integrations plus an MCP server connecting to Claude, ChatGPT, and Cursor. Fireflies also has MCP support connecting with Claude, Devon, and ChatGPT. When it comes to security, both tools have SOC Type 2 certification and claim HIPAA compliance. Fellow also comes with transcription redaction, granular permission controls, data residency options, audit logging, and an explicit commitment to never train AI models on customer data, which is great for privacy. When it comes to the pricing, Fellow Teams plan comes at $7 per user per month, with the business at $15 and the enterprise at $25. Firefly's Pro plan costs $10 per month, the business at $19 and the enterprise at $39 per month, all of these when billed annually. Fellow is cheaper at every tier, and this includes video recording on all plans, while Fireflies locks that behind its business tier. In summary, Fellow wins in transcription accuracy, bot versus botless recording, cross-meeting intelligence, and security, but they are tied in integrations and action items. So if you're a team or organization that needs accuracy, accountability, cross-meeting intelligence, and enterprise-level security, go ahead and get things moving with Fellow. But if you're looking for a less robust, less specific transcription tool that does well with integrations and action items, but you don't need team governance features, then Fireflies is your option. Do let us know if this helped you out in making your choice, and don't forget to check out the links in the description below for an easy access, and thanks for watching.